Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a common headache for Adobe After Effects users. The dreaded, the following plugins have failed, error. If you're working on projects in 2025 and suddenly see this pop up, don't panic. I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that can get you back to editing in no time. This error typically occurs when plugins aren't loading properly, often due to compatibility issues, outdated software, or corrupted files. It's frustrating, but it's usually an easy fix. First things first, let's start with the basics. Open Adobe After Effects, make sure it's the latest 2025 version, and check for updates. Go to Help, Updates in the menu bar. If there's an update available, install it right away. This often resolves plugin conflicts because Adobe regularly patches these issues. Next, head over to your Plugins folder. In After Effects, navigate to Edit, Preferences, Scripting and Expressions, and ensure your plugins are in the correct directory, usually found in the Support Files folder. If you spot any suspicious files, try deleting them and reinstalling the plugins from a trusted source. Remember, always download plugins from official websites to avoid malware. If that doesn't work, restart your computer and relaunch After Effects in safe mode. To do this, hold down the Shift key while opening the app. This disables third-party plugins temporarily, helping you identify if a specific one is causing the problem. Once you're in, you can manually enable plugins one by one to pinpoint the culprit. Another pro tip: clear your cache. Go to Edit, Purge, All, which will clear out any temporary files that might be glitching. And don't forget to run a quick antivirus scan, just in case there's something sneaky going on. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that error for good. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more After Effects tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative.